Hello students, now we will learn about plural and singular nouns. Do you already know about plural nouns and singular nouns? If not, let's continue to the following discussion.
The first material is singular and plural nouns. Singular is a noun that indicates that the object is singular or only one. And then plural is a noun that is used to show that there is more than one or plural object. Plural nouns versus singular nouns. Singular nouns represent one of something. If plural nouns represent two or more of something. See the following example. Here there is one apple. If there are two or more than one apple, then it becomes two apples. Then one book. If there are two or more than one book, then it becomes two books.
Okay, now you will learn more specifics. The following are the rules for adding endings or changing words to plural nouns. Pay attention carefully. The first rule is regular noun add s. Or if there is more than one common noun, then add s. See the following example. Car becomes cars. Apple becomes apples. Book becomes books. The second rule is that nouns ending in s, ch, sh, x, or z are added with es. For example, bus becomes buses. Watch becomes watches. Brush becomes brushes. Box becomes boxes. Quiz becomes quizzes. The third rule is nouns ending in f or fe. So, remove f or fe, then replace or add ves. Okay, for example, there are wolf becomes wolves. Knife becomes knives. However, there are examples of nouns ending in f which cannot be deleted and added with ves, but added with s. For example, roof becomes roofs. Cliff becomes cliffs. Okay, the fourth rule is that nouns that end in a vowel plus y are added with s. Examples are key becomes keys. Monkey becomes monkeys. The fifth rule is for nouns that end with a consonant plus y. So, remove the consonant plus y, then replace or add ies. For example, baby becomes babies. Butterfly become butterflies. Then, the sixth rule is irregular nouns. These are plural nouns that do not have additional letter as before, but still have word change. Examples like man becomes man. Woman becomes women. Tooth becomes teeth. Then food becomes feet. Mouse becomes mice. Person becomes people. The second rule is that nouns end with a vowel plus O, then added with S. Okay, for example, radio becomes radios. Kangaroo becomes kangaroos. Okay, the eighth rule is that nouns end with a consonant plus O and then add ES. Examples are tomato becomes tomatoes. Potato becomes potatoes. However, there are examples of nouns whose endings have a consonant plus O which cannot be added with ES but can be added with S. For example, piano becomes pianos. Photo becomes photos. And the last is a plural noun that cannot change. Generally refers to nouns that have the same singular and plural forms, such as sheep is still sheep, do not change. Deer is still deer. Fish is still fish.
Okay, now we will enter a practice session regarding singular and plural nouns. This session will see how far you understand the material you have studied. And the rules are simple. I will give several nouns in the singular form and you try to answer them in the plural form. Remember, you only have 10 seconds for each question to answer the question I give. So, listen carefully. The first question: what is the plural form of car? A. Cars. B. Carries. C. Cares. Good. The answer is A. Cars. And number 2. What is the plural form of bus? A. Buses. B. Bus. C. Buses. Correct. The answer is C. Buses. For words ending in S, X, C, GH, or SH, we add ES to the end of the word. Number 3. What is the plural form of baby? A. Babies. B. Babies. And C. Babes. Exactly right. The answer is B. Babies. If the noun ends in Y after a consonant, we replace the Y with IES. And number 4. What is the plural form of mouse? A. Mouse. B. Mice. Or C. Mouses. Nice. The answer is B. Mice. Mouse becomes mice. This is an example of an irregular verb. And number 5, for the last question, what is the plural form of sheep? A. Sheep, B. Sheeps, or C. Sheepish? Very good. The answer is A. Sheep. The plural form of the word sheep remains the same as the singular form.
Okay, students, do you understand plural and singular nouns after the previous discussion? If not, you can repeat this learning video. Thank you, students. Bye-bye.